Good day for everyone. My name is Vsevolod Bastiuchenko. I will present my article where I will talk about the procedure for designing the implementation of automated logistics using a real example. And so we can start from the first point, which you see on this poster. Each project starts by defining the problem and setting a goal. The next step is to create a rough plan of action, set a timeline, and assemble a team. This project describes the procedure for the creation and implementation of automated logistics within the plant. After completing the previous stage, you can start collecting and processing data. This includes analyzing the flow of materials, checking the collected information, making a rough estimates, processing the data, and transforming it into a structured PFAP database. The next step is to analyze the processes in the plant. This will help us to evaluate the principles of the organizational structure of logistics and in the future to fulfill our goal efficiently and avoid conflicts with the rest of the transport relations within the plant. It is also equally important to investigate the areas in which automated logistics will be implemented and which of course are directly related to the solution of the project. The stage of creation a plan for the implementation of automated logistics using the example of an AGV truck includes the design and verification of material input-output points in each of the sections of automatic manipulations. Search and creation of the best possible routes and directions of movement for the AGV track. After that, the calculation of the degree of use of the AGV track. Stage 5 is the final planning stage in which the previous delivery method and the new automated method are calculated. The results of this stage clearly show us the effectiveness of both delivery methods, which can be seen in the table below, where we can compare them with each other and identify which one is better. Every shift from Monday to Thursday, the truck transports a certain number of pallets along a designated road. On Friday, it's in charge of transporting the material 3 times more than previous days. This is because the central warehouse does not operate on Saturdays and Sundays, while our production areas are in active condition and must meet daily standards. After incorporating the plant design into the software, we can see information about the load capacity of the truck. The tables describe the process and results of the work of the AGV truck, tables 1 and 2, in comparison with the classical hand truck, tables 3 and 4. The total occupancy from Monday to Thursday was 66%, on Friday 23% for the AGV truck, and 75% and on Friday 50% for the classical hand truck. The average occupancy rate for the former is set at 18%, that of the latter at 25%. At the same time, the automatic trucks' import times are lower. The low occupancy of the automatic truck gives us an advantage in this case, because we have the opportunity to add the highest task, increase the volume of imports, and plan additional useful directions of movement in the plant. It follows that it makes sense for a company to replace human labor with automated technology. This is the end of my article presentation, and thank you for your attention.